How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNYcentral. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins, and what a weekend here in Central New York. Can you feel the excitement? Syracuse basketball playing. Of course, we had that great sunshine during the day on Saturday, and it looks like the second half of the weekend may not feature that, but some pretty mild temperatures. So a lot of good stuff to talk about. Now, there are some negatives. We're going to actually have to talk about some rain showers the second half of the weekend as well. First of all, let's take a look at the almanac, and we've seen quite a bit of snow in March and April. That's surely come to an end, and we've seen a lot of melting of the snow around Central New York. There's still snowpack out there up towards the Adirondacks, the Tug Hill, and even some of the hills to the southeast of Syracuse. Now, no snow reported today, so our monthly total 12 inches, that's about 10 inches above average, and our seasonal total where it stands now is 115. I don't see that changing the next week, so we might be done with most of the snow accumulation. We're about 5.5 inches below average for the season. Last night the low was 25. It was cold. 25 was 8 degrees below average, 9 degrees below average. Our high temperature where we hit 44. We should be in the low to mid 50s at 53. Record high 82 and the record low 14 degrees. Well, here's what we can expect as we go forward from here. Not as cold tonight with a breeze picking up out of the southeast and the clouds that will be moving on in. Looks like the first half of the night will be dry. There is a chance for some scattered showers developing and a few more rain showers on Sunday with a lot of wind, but it will be a milder second half to the weekend. We're going to push the temperatures into the upper 50s thanks to that wind out of the south and almost at 60 degrees. We just may make it there. By midweek, 60s are a sure thing. Looks like we're going to have spring warmth. Not in the 70s. We've brought the temperatures down just a little bit, and it's actually a very tricky forecast for the midweek. There's going to be a frontal system, and if it goes far to the north, we could be looking at 70s. If it stays to the south, we could be in the 50s. So we're thinking in the 60s at this point. Don't normally show this, but I wanted to point out the weather down in Atlanta, where Syracuse is playing, and our weather, both cities, actually partly cloudy. As you can see, some clouds and dry conditions in both places. Of course, the temperatures much different with the chilly weather here and the pretty mild stuff down there. They were in the 70s today and will be in the 70s tomorrow. More dry weather for Sunday and Monday down in Atlanta, Georgia. So at 2 o'clock this morning, Onondaga County north, chance for some rain showers. They should be scattered and most of the time light. Winds turn breezy and eventually windy for tomorrow morning. More passing showers. Futurecast is trying to show more towards the afternoon, but now it looks like it's at any point, but they're scattered to isolated, so there'll be significant dry periods and even some peaks of sunshine. It will be warmer, winds out of the south shifting to the southwest, and scattered showers still possible as we go into the early evening tomorrow night, but that front continues to move along, and then it sinks to the south and then comes back up at us and waves around for a couple of days. So a lot of the days in our 7-day forecast, we're dealing at some point with a chance for rain, though I don't see any washouts. Here are the high temperatures coming up for the second half of the weekend on Sunday, and there you see it, 59 degrees, so a little bit milder for the second half of the weekend, even though it's windy and there's a chance for rain. 64 in Pittsburgh, 70 from Richmond down to Nashville, St. Louis, also in the 70s down in Atlanta. So it'll be breezy for the second half of the night. Winds out of the southeast, but the cloud cover actually makes our temperatures go up from 33, our midnight low temperature, into the mid and even upper 30s by sunrise. And we'll find a chance for some scattered showers, especially as you go Syracuse north. Windy with a few showers in the morning, mostly cloudy, more the same in the afternoon. Winds could gust to as high as 50 miles per hour and a high temperature of 59. We'll begin at 59 Monday, partly sunny, some patchy fog early, and then some showers late in the day. A chance for showers early Tuesday, well into the 60s midweek.